Hey guys, in this video we're going to take a look at how you can show or hide app notification badge on the Samsung Galaxy S23 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. From the home screen, swipe down at the top and tap on the settings icon. Next, in here, go down and tap on notifications. Then tap on app notifications, and then tap on an app that you want to change. So for example, I'm going to tap on the Chrome app. Then you go to the notification types and tap on badge. Tap on this button here to toggle between on or off. So at the moment it is allowed, so if I receive notifications from an app, there will be an orange dot at the top telling me that I have notifications coming from the app. To switch it off, simply tap on the button and it will say not allowed, and that will basically allow you to hide the app notification badges. And that's it. Finally, you can tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.